Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a yummy fruit. It's an orange. Draw small leaves on top. Draw a big round circle. Now draw tiny dots to make it look bumpy like real orange skin. This is the orange that is cut open. I draw orange slices. Small dots on the outside for orange skin. Let's color now. Orange. Oranges are round, juicy, and so sweet. They give us vitamin C. It keeps us strong and healthy. When you feel tired, eating an orange can give you energy. Oranges help keep us happy and full of smiles. Yellow. Green. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.